Hi guys, this is Bruce Bronx with another tutorial on how to disable all ads in Windows 10. And without wasting time, let's get into it. So first of all, we want to go on our start and then we click settings. We go to system. We click system. And then we go to notifications and actions. Notifications and actions, and then we click. We want to turn all these notifications off, so we want to turn them off, and some of the notifications are turned off and some of them are still on, but we want to turn them off. And then right now we are good, and then we close. Let me refresh. We then go to PC, this PC. We then go to PC and then we go on view. We click view and then we want to go on options. We click options. And then we click view. We want to scroll down and disable where it says show pop-ups, show pop-up description for folder and desktop items. So we want to disable this, and we also want to disable this one that say show sync provider notifications. So we want to disable this, and then we say apply. We say okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Enjoy.